Hey, tuba players. P.S. Well, something that you want to look out for when you're playing the tuba is this sound. Sometimes people say tuba players sound like farts, and that's why. Listen. Sounds kind of farty, right? What about this one? Does it sound farty? No, it sounds great. What do you think that kind of sound? All right. It sounds kind of farty. However, there's tone to it. Can you hear that it sounds big instead of meh, meh, meh? We don't want that at all. We want do, or in your case, do, do. I can't sing that high. Do. There we go. I got it, kind of. Singing's super important. If you don't sing in your head, you're not going to be able to do this. So anytime you're thinking about a note, for tubas, it's really low, so it sounds like ba. For you guys, that might be hard to sing, so you need to sing up higher, ba, so you can hear what pitch you're playing. I'm old. Look at all this gray hair. You know, that's just what it is. But that's why I can sing low. Boys, I know sometimes. Girls, close your ears. This is only for the boys. Boys, I know sometimes we want to be men, like Mr. Humphrey. Right? I can sing the same note as the tuba. Kind of. You cannot. Eventually, you will be able to sing closer, but not right now. So anytime you sing a note, you need to sing bo, bo. It's the same note. You just need to hear it in your head so you can hear it on the tuba. Okay, girls, you can come back. All right. So whenever we're playing notes, just remember. Oh, sorry. Don't do that. Don't breathe like that yet. M. And just lots and lots of air. All right. Well, on to the next video. Have a great day.